Welcome back and welcome if you're new. We're going to get right into this tutorial. So like always, I go in with my Makarts Peel Off base coat. I do this because I change my nails a lot and this allows me to pop the nails off immediately after I'm done applying. I do apply one coat and I will cure this for 60 seconds. This is good for the people who wants to pop their nails off for any reason. And if you put this underneath your gel polish, it allows your gel polish to peel off. Now, I've never tried it in that form, and I don't know how long if your gel polish will last. I guess it's however you do your nail prep, but I know people use it for that as well. Next, you're going to see me go in with a very thin coat of this extended gel by Apres. This is a builder gel, but I'm not going to use it as a builder gel. I'm going to actually use it as just like nail coverage. I don't have any nude colors, and this gives good coverage, but it's also the consistency I need it to be because I don't want to show my natural nail color and the imperfections of my natural nail under this set of nails. So I'm going to go in with a very thin coat of this Apres extended gel. And when I say thin coat, that's exactly like the thinnest coat, because remember, this is a builder's gel, so it is thick, but it gives that coverage just to blur out the imperfections of my natural nail, as you can see here. So now we're going to go on with this base coat from Morvan to adhere some glitter to our tips. The tips I am using today is Tipp-Ex tips. I love them, and we're going to be using the Tipp-Ex glue to adhere, and I'll tell you a little bit more why I chose to do that versus the Apres Builder Gel, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But as you can see, I'm putting a thin coat of that base gel into the underneath side of all of the nails. Yes, I don't know if you can tell, but these nails are flipped upside down, and this is going to the underneath. I'm going to ombre it up to the free edge of my natural nail. I don't want to really have too much glitter past that, and I want the glitter to be very minimum around the free edge of my natural nail. When I do adhere these full cover tips to my nail, the light can get through to cure the nail glue, and the glitter won't be blocking that light. So make sure to only ombre it up to where your natural nail is going to be, so that nail glue can get cured by the lamp, if that makes sense. I almost forgot to mention that this glitter mixture is something that I personally mixed up some different glitters that I had. I wanted to be a more chunky glitter, so I just put these colors together. So after I get done placing the glitter where I want it to be, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with another layer of top coat just to lock all the glitter in. And take your time with this. You know, sometimes I have this sped up, but this is in real time here, showing how slow I'm going, because I don't want air bubbles to get in there. You know, you're curing almost like it's clear, so you want to see through it and you don't want to see a ton of air bubbles. So yes, I am going to apply the nails with Tipp-Ex. I could have used the Apres Extend Gel earlier, but I don't like the way those builder gels spread that has a tinted color to them, because sometimes the color don't spread evenly and you still have patchy, more sheer spaces that you can see the nail imperfections. So I did it this way just for that reason. You can apply with that builder gel if you're good with applying it, but I'm just not, and I wanted to have an even color nail bed like here, so that's why I went with Tipp-Ex. As you can see here, I did have some spillage, so I am going to show you guys how easy it is to drill off this Tipp-Ex nail glue. It has been the easiest thing to get off, and it just, like I said before, it just crumbles right off. So if you don't get it perfect the first time, it's okay. You can go in with the drill or your hand file and just take it right off. It literally crumbles right off. It's such an easy removal. Okay, so now we're done with all the filing, shaping, buffing, and all that good stuff. We're going to go in with a coat of this base coat. And in all honesty, these nails are so cute just like this. If you wanted to go on with top coat, you could be done right here. You can be completely finished right here. But you know, I always want something extra, so we're not going to be done right here. So y'all, now I think I'm getting into my customization era because I'm going to take this Madame Glam's gel polish and curl flirt, and I'm going to mix this with some base gel polish to get, you see how thick this is? It's very, the viscosity is very thick, but I mixed it with some clear gel polish and got this nice nude jelly transparent color, so pretty, and it fits this nail set so well. Now, as you guys can see, my thumb is not done. I saved my thumb now for TikTok, and if you go over to TikTok, and even I think I posted on my shorts here, I did my thumb, but I did my thumb in a different way. So if you guys want to see how I did my thumb, go ahead and go over there real quick and watch that. It's under a minute, and then come back and finish watching this video. But yeah, my thumb, I did same concept with the 3D chrome, but I did it just differently, some different techniques over there, so go check that out. And we are done here. This is how this polish I made up look. Is so pretty to me. I think this is so pretty. So I did go ahead and put top coat on there. You guys saw me put the top coat. That was that second gel polish brush that I put on there, was a top coat, and I am going to buff this top coat out. I don't want any shininess on this top coat, but I still have to have a very light hand when buffing because I don't want to buff the top coat away. I just want to buff the shine away, so I'm being very gentle. And the reason why we're making this nail matte by buffing it is because we're going to do chrome, and chrome does not like to stick to a matte surface. And here's a comparison of what I mean by take the shine away. You can see how matte this nail is, and the other nails were still shiny. Y'all, I got this from my local nail supply store, and I can't find it on the internet. I don't know the name. The initials is CR, but they have this super black. They have a chrome base and a super shiny top coat. When I tell you, it's the best thing for chrome. So in this video, I'm going to show you two ways of doing this chrome. We're going to start out by drawing our line work. We're going to do this in black because chrome shows really well on black. We're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And now we're going to go in with our chrome base. We're going to trace those same black lines that we made earlier with the chrome base. You want to make sure to not go too far outside of the lines. I go just a little bit outside of the lines, just to make sure that black is covered up when I put the chrome on there. I do not want my chrome to have a black outline. So yes, I trace outside of the lines just a little bit. And when I cure this, I only cure this for 15 seconds. That is the key. Do not cure this more than 15 seconds because it won't look right. Now I'm going to go in with the chrome. You see how very little I use? You don't need much. And I'm going to start rubbing. This should only stick to my